Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, allowing your body to take up the room it needs. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air and then exhaling slowly, letting go of any tension or stress. As you settle into this moment, take a few deep cleansing breaths. With each inhale, feel your body becoming lighter and more at ease. With each exhale, release any tension, stress, or worries you may be carrying from the day. Allow yourself to be fully present here, ready to enter a space of peace and renewal. Now begin to imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful, serene forest. The air is fresh and cool, and the scent of pine and earth surrounds you. Before you is a path that leads deep into the heart of the forest, a place where you can find peace, restoration, and renewal. Take a moment to notice your surroundings. Tall trees stretch up toward the sky, their leaves gently rustling in the breeze. Soft light filters through the canopy, casting shadows on the forest floor. You can hear the faint sound of birds singing in the distance and the gentle rustle of leaves beneath your feet as you begin to walk along the path. As you walk deeper into the forest, feel yourself becoming more connected to the earth beneath you. With each step, feel the ground supporting you, grounding you, and bringing a sense of calm and stability. The deeper you go into the forest, the more peaceful you feel. The trees around you welcome you, their branches swaying gently as if they are greeting you. The cool, fresh air fills your lungs, invigorating your body and mind. With each breath, you feel a sense of renewal washing over you. Now find a comfortable place to rest. Perhaps there is a soft patch of grass or a smooth rock where you can sit. Take a moment to get comfortable. And as you sit, allow yourself to fully absorb the peaceful energy of the forest. Feel the strength of the trees around you. They have stood for many years, weathering storms and seasons, yet they remain strong and resilient. Allow their strength to fill you. As you breathe in, imagine yourself drawing in the energy of the trees. Their deep-rooted stability and resilience becoming part of you. As you sit in this peaceful forest, take a moment to tune into your body. Notice if there are any areas where you feel tension, stress, or discomfort. Now, with each exhale, imagine releasing that tension into the earth. The forest can hold it for you, transforming it into something new and nourishing. With each breath, release what no longer serves you. Feel the weight of any worries or stress melt away, absorbed by the earth beneath you. As you let go, feel yourself becoming lighter, more at ease, and more open to the healing energy of the forest. Now imagine that the forest around you is filled with a soft green light. This light represents the energy of renewal, growth, and healing. As you breathe in, visualize this green light filling your body, entering through the crown of your head and flowing down into every cell of your body. Feel the green light restoring and renewing you, like the fresh leaves of the trees in spring. It brings new life to your mind, body, and spirit. With each breath, the healing light flows through you, clearing away any remaining tension, fatigue, or heaviness, and replacing it with a sense of vitality and renewal. Let this green light nourish you, just as the forest nourishes the plants and animals that live within it. Feel yourself growing stronger, more vibrant, and more connected with each breath. Now take a few moments to simply rest in this beautiful space. Allow yourself to be completely at ease, knowing that you are safe, supported, and cared for by the energy of the forest. The trees stand tall around you, offering their strength and resilience. The air is filled with the scent of pine and earth, calming your mind and bringing a sense of peace. The soft rustling of the leaves creates a soothing sound, like a lullaby from nature itself. Rest here, knowing that the space of renewal is always available to you whenever you need it. The forest is a place of peace, of strength, and healing, and you can return to it whenever you seek renewal. When you are ready, begin to slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bring your attention back to this present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing life back into your body. And if it feels comfortable, go ahead and stretch your arms and legs, inviting movement and energy into your being. Take one final moment to acknowledge the peace and renewal you've experienced in the forest. Know that this sense of renewal, like the forest, is always within you. You can return to this peaceful place whenever you need to reconnect, recharge, and renew. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes, bringing with you the peace, strength, and vitality of the forest into the rest of your day.